Installation of the system is different for single computer and network versions. For single computer version, you need to connect security key so-called HASP device to your computer before you start installing the system. When you attach the HASP to your computer, at the bottom right corner of the screen will appear downloading of the HASP driver from the internet and the installation process. At the end of this process, HASP has to be lit up in red. Only in this case is available to run installation package for single computer version. For network version, it's not necessary to connect the HASP to your computer. In order to start up installation package, you need to find device with installation package and run it by double-clicking on the file setup. Now installation package will be loaded and you will find welcome screen with indication of system version on it. Click the next button and go to the next page. Now you see license agreement. Read it carefully and if you don't agree with it, do not install the system. If you agree, check corresponding box and go to the next page. Here you see the folder where the system will be installed. Once again, go to the next page and finally by pressing install button, installation process will start. Pay attention to the checkbox on the last page. If you leave checkbox unchanged and press finish button, at the end of this process, system will automatically run after some pause. If you have a network license and HASP isn't connected to your computer, when you start the system, a specific screen will show up which will allow you to specify the name and address of the computer connected to the HASP. Ask your IT specialist for the name or IP address of this computer and specify it in corresponding field. Only after the completion of this field, you will be able to access the system. The next part of the video lesson is intended for IT specialists. In case of the network versions, security license key HASP has to be connected to any computer on your computer network, and you need to install the license management system. We recommend you to attach the HASP before you install the license management system. In case of the HASP connection, HASP driver has to be downloaded and HASP should light up. Now we can install the license management system. You will find it in installation package into the specific folder ORIS HLM. At the end of installation process, you can see the license management system, access control panel, then administrative tools, services, and in the list of services, find ORIS HLM. It has to be started up. The license management system is managed through the specific file located in the folder Windows, subfolder temp. Now let's find file ORIS HLM. It's a regular text file, so by double clicking you can open it in Notepad. Now we see port number, TCP port number. Through this port, the license management system on the server is connected to the system on the local computer. If this port is used by other system on your server, you can replace it with any port you want. You need to save this port and restart the license management system. Access control panel, administrative tools, services, and license management service. Restart it, start, and so forth. Take into account if you change the port number, you should set the same port to all user computer on your network. Now find the same file in the same way in the folder Windows, subfolder temp. It will be the same. Now you can replace the port you want to all user computers.